Your doors do more than provide an entryway, they play a crucial role in your home's energy performance. In Orangeburg, where hot summers and mild winters are the norm, an inefficient door can lead to energy loss, discomfort, and higher utility bills. Replacing outdated doors with modern, energy-efficient options can make a significant difference, transforming your home into a more comfortable and cost-effective space. Here's how professional door installation in Orangeburg can improve your home's energy efficiency and why it's a smart investment. Sealing out air leaks. One of the biggest culprits of energy loss is air leaks around old or poorly installed doors. Cracks, gaps, and worn-out weather stripping allow drafts to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Advanced weather stripping. Modern doors come equipped with durable weather stripping that prevents air leaks. Tight seals. Professional installation ensures your door fits snugly within the frame, eliminating gaps and creating an airtight barrier. By sealing out drafts, new doors help maintain a stable indoor environment, reducing energy waste and improving comfort. Enhanced insulation. Energy-efficient doors are designed with materials and features that provide superior insulation, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Foam core. Many modern doors feature an insulating core made of polyurethane foam or similar materials, significantly reducing heat transfer. Thermal breaks. Energy-efficient frames include thermal breaks, insulated barriers within the frame that prevent heat from passing through. Material matters. Fiberglass and steel doors offer excellent insulation, outperforming traditional wooden doors in energy efficiency. Better insulation reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems, saving energy and lowering your utility bills. Energy-efficient glass options. Many modern doors include glass panels or sidelights for aesthetic appeal and natural light, but traditional glass can be a weak point for energy efficiency. Energy-efficient doors solve this issue with advanced glass technology. Low E coatings. Low emissivity glass reflects heat, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas, like argon or krypton, between them provide superior insulation. UV protection. Energy-efficient glass blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture and flooring from fading. By combining style with performance, energy-efficient glass enhances your home's appearance while reducing energy costs. Reduced utility bills. Replacing an inefficient door with an energy-efficient one leads to noticeable savings on your utility bills. Lower heating costs. A well-insulated door keeps warm air inside during Orangeburg's cooler months, reducing the need for excessive heating. Cooling efficiency. During the hot summer months, energy-efficient doors prevent heat from entering, making it easier to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. The long-term savings on your energy bills can quickly offset the initial cost of door replacement. Environmentally friendly living. Choosing energy-efficient doors isn't just good for your wallet, it's also a step toward a greener, more sustainable home. Lower carbon footprint. By reducing energy consumption, you're contributing to fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable materials. Many modern doors are made from eco-friendly or recyclable materials, further minimizing their environmental impact. For environmentally conscious homeowners in Orangeburg, energy-efficient doors offer a practical way to reduce your ecological footprint. Enhanced comfort. An inefficient door can lead to uncomfortable drafts and temperature fluctuations, especially in Orangeburg's hot summers and humid conditions. New doors eliminate these issues, creating a more comfortable living space. Consistent temperatures. Energy-efficient doors help maintain a stable indoor climate, preventing hot or cold spots near entryways. Noise reduction. Insulated doors also dampen outside noise, adding to your home's comfort. With improved insulation and sealing, your home becomes a haven of comfort regardless of the weather outside. Improved curb appeal and value. Energy-efficient doors don't just perform well, they also look great. Modern designs offer a range of styles, colors, and finishes to enhance your home's curb appeal. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly desirable to potential buyers, making your home more attractive on the market. Stylish designs. Choose from a variety of options that match your home's architecture while boosting energy performance. A beautiful, energy-efficient door is both a functional and aesthetic improvement. Tailored solutions for Orangeburg's climate. Orangeburg's climate presents unique challenges, and professional installers can help you select doors optimized for local conditions. Durable materials. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping, cracking, and fading in the region's heat and humidity. Storm-ready options. Impact-resistant doors provide added protection during storms, ensuring both security and energy efficiency. By tailoring your choice to Orangeburg's weather, you'll maximize the benefits of your new door. Conclusion. A smart choice for Orangeburg homeowners. Upgrading your doors is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value. With advanced insulation, tight seals, and energy-efficient glass options, modern doors are designed to reduce energy waste and enhance your home's performance. For Orangeburg homeowners, where weather conditions demand durable and efficient solutions, professional door installation is a practical investment that pays off in savings, sustainability, and comfort. Consult a trusted local installer to find the perfect door for your home and start enjoying the benefits today.